Unfasten the safety harness, pressing the red button located on the buckle. Remove the two ends of the safety harness from the anchor-shaped hook. Remove the two parts of the safety harness from the front of the child car seat and insert them into the hole which is most suitable to the child's height. Reinsert the two ends of the safety harness into the anchor-shaped hook. Put the child car seat's handle in a vertical position, pressing the two side adjustment buttons. Place the child car seat onto the vehicle seat where you wish to fit it. Pull the car safety belt and lock it into the appropriate buckle, sliding the lap belt into the two side guides of the child car seat. Hold the diagonal belt and pull it until the lap belt is tensioned correctly. At the end of these operations, check that the lap belt is still locked correctly into the appropriate guides. While keeping the diagonal belt tensioned, slide it into the guide located on the rear of the back seat. Tension the belt as much as possible, checking that it is not loose or twisted. To place the child into the child car seat, press the orange button located at the front of the child car seat, and while pressing the button, pull completely the two belts of the child car seat. Unfasten the buckle of the safety belts, pressing the red button. Place the child into the child car seat and fasten the harness. Tension the safety harness, pulling the appropriate adjustment belt, and make sure that it fits correctly the child. To clean the fabric cover, remove the canopy. Unfasten the harnesses and unfasten the two side elastics before removing the fabric cover from the frame.